Monday morning, you're running late, you fire up the car and you hear that dreaded sound. Top up AdBlue. Oh, panic over. What's AdBlue? It sits in a separate tank and supposedly takes some of the nasties out of your diesel emissions, meaning your car should then comply with Euro 6 standards. So into the boot, and just where the rear right hand seat sits, there is a little compartment. This is your AdBlue tank. In pre-facelift models, instead it's just going to be under the seat here, and this cutout which is still there. I like to put a carrier bag over the headrest because believe me, if you spill this stuff, it's pretty nasty. You've got two caps, first the black one, then this blue one. I also like to pad out this compartment with blue roll or some sort of towel, just to deal with spillage. Now this only costs a tenner. It does come with this handy little nozzle, which is okay. You probably should use a funnel, but I can't find mine. I'm in the middle of a house move. So I use my finger to cover the hose as I guide it down to the tank and do the old quick switcheroo. Only spilt a little bit, but that's what the blue roll's for. Whoops. And last time I spilled it all over the headrest, hence the Tesco bag this time, because when it dries it crystallises and it was a right mess to clean up. So, lesson learned. Learn from me, don't make my mistakes. I've driven a couple of 100 miles since the reminder first came on, and as you can see it's taken the entire 10 litres. So quick clean up, just avoid spilling any more of that stuff on anything soft. As you can see from my glove, it's crystallised almost immediately, so just, yeah, gloves are nice too. And then that's it, there's nothing to do. You can just, next time you use the car, you shouldn't get that horrible noise. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit like and do other things, or don't. Bye.